for a way to improve your IELTS writing skills at home by yourself for free? Let me show you how you can do this with Write and Improve. Here we go. Hello, this is Daniel from Expert IELTS Success. Today we're going to explore a fantastic online tool that can help you achieve a Band 7 or higher in the IELTS writing section. The tool we're talking about is called Write and Improve, and in this video we'll show you how to use it effectively to boost your IELTS writing score. So let's dive right in. Write and Improve is a free online platform developed by Cambridge English. This provides you instant feedback on your writing. It's designed to help you improve your writing skills by identifying your strengths and weaknesses and offering suggestions for improvement. The tool covers a wide range of topics, including IELTS writing tasks, making it an excellent resource for IELTS test takers. So how do you get started? Step 1. To get started with Write and Improve, you'll need to create an account. Just visit the website writeandimprove.com and sign up using your email address or social media account. Once you've logged in, you'll see a variety of tasks to choose from. For IELTS preparation, select the IELTS category and choose a task that matches the type of writing you want to practice, such as Task 1 or Task 2. The next step, Step 2, write your response. So now you've chosen a task, it's time to write your response. You can either type your response directly into the Write and Improve platform, like you would in a real test, or write it in a separate document, such as a Word document, and copy and paste it into the tool. Make sure you follow the word count guidelines for the specific IELTS writing task you're practicing. For Task 1, aim for at least 150 words, maximum of 170. And for Task 2, aim for at least 250 words, maximum 280. Next, Step 3, you're going to submit your writing for feedback. So once you've completed your response, click the check button to submit your writing for feedback. Write and Improve will analyze your text and provide you with a CEFR. This is the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages level, which corresponds to an approximate band score. The tool will also highlight areas of your writing that need improvement, such as grammar, vocabulary, and coherence. Step 4, review the feedback and make improvements. So now that you've received feedback on your writing, it's time to review the suggestions and make improvements. Pay close attention to the areas highlighted by Write and Improve and try to understand why these issues were flagged. Use the feedback to revise your writing, focusing on addressing the identified weaknesses and incorporating the suggested improvements. Step 5, resubmit your revised writing. After making the necessary improvements to your writing, resubmit your revised writing response to Write and Improve for additional feedback. This will help you gauge your progress and see if you've successfully addressed the issues identified in the initial feedback. Repeat this as many times as you need to until you're satisfied with your writing and the feedback you receive. Step 6, practice regularly. So to get the most out of Write and Improve and increase your chances of achieving a Band 7 or higher in the IELTS writing section, it's essential to practice regularly. So set aside time each week to work on different IELTS writing tasks and use Write and Improve to refine your skills. The more you practice, the more familiar you'll become with IELTS writing requirements and the better your writing will become. Step 7, track your progress. So Write and Improve also allows you to track your progress over time. By regularly submitting your writing and reviewing the feedback, you can monitor your improvement and identify any recurring issues that need further attention. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your goal of achieving a Band 7 or higher in the IELTS writing test. So, to recap, using Write and Improve to boost your IELTS writing score involves the following steps. Step 1, create an account and choose your task. Step 2, write your response. Step 3, submit your writing for feedback. Step 4, review the feedback and make improvements. Step 5, resubmit your revised writing. Step 6, practice regularly. And Step 7, track your progress. Now, there is one more step that we can help you with. So if you are looking for IELTS experts who can give you the correct feedback, can go through the answer with you and help you each step of the way, then please do get in touch because we can help you with this as well. And if you can follow these steps and make the most of Write and Improve, you'll be well on your way to achieving a Band 7 or higher in the IELTS writing section. Not only that, but we can help you with the process, so do reach out. So that is it for today's video on using Write and Improve to boost your IELTS writing score. We hope you found this information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. You can also check in the description for all our links to our online programs, our online courses, and you can also grab your free IELTS vocabulary guide with 500 plus IELTS vocabulary words and a study guide to help you prepare for your IELTS test. So we hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you soon.